I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to tell you how to connect your PayPal account with your Fiverr account. First of all, log in into your Fiverr account and then click on these three lines. Click on these three lines and you can do this process in your mobile phone, and then click on billing. After that, you will see such type of interface and you will click here at available balance, and then you will click on your earning page. After that, click on let's go, and let me change my browser into desktop site. Click on these three lines and then click on desktop site. Now click on withdraw and then click on PayPal. Here your phone number, for your phone number verification you will get 4 digits number, and you can do this process by SMS and as a call. Here I do it by SMS. And I got the number 2130. I put here it and then click submit code. And now it's done. Your PayPal is connected now. You will check your Gmail, that Gmail on which you have created your Fiverr account. Let's go there and check the email. Here is the email, and then click here and then click from browser. Let me change again my browser into desktop site. Click here, click here. Now here you will put your email, that email on which you have created your PayPal account. I mean you will put the PayPal account Gmail. And now your PayPal is attached with your Fiverr account. And now click on withdraw and then click on PayPal, and now click on this, and your amount will be transferred to your PayPal account. If you get such type of notification as I have circled it, sometimes it's and if it also happens with you, then go to your PayPal Gmail and you will get there a link, and you will click there. Let me check the link. Here is the link. I will click on this link, and after that the money will automatically transfer to your PayPal account. So this is the method. It's so easy. After that, how to remove your PayPal account from Fiverr? It's also easy steps. First of all, log in into Fiverr account and then click on these three lines and then click on here and then click on earning and then click on manage payout methods. And then you will see such type of interface, and here you will click here, and here you can change and remove. And when you click on remove and if does not work, then you have to click on it again and again. At last it will work. Let me see as I am doing. You will do the same method and at last it will work. Again I am clicking and click on remove. Again I am trying. Again I am trying. At last it worked. Here click here, I mean give the tick mark to the box and then click on remove. Yes, remove. So your PayPal account is now completely removed. Let me check it is removed or not yet. Click on manage payout method. Here you can see the payout method is removed successfully. Thanks for watching.